Hey guys, good morning. Just another quick update for Pepsi. I did end up hitting that 80% return. I'll probably wait a little bit longer just because it's still early. It's barely 7:20, so I'm not going to be selling these out yet. I think if we do hit I think there's a strong chance that I do get a 90, maybe 100% return on these contracts. If I do get a 100% return on these contracts, I will maybe now sell about 5 of these contracts and let the other 5 run to hopefully hit 157. But there's the break of all-time high, the 52 week high, the earnings call. I mean, IV is pretty strong today, especially on the call side, the call option side. So if I am gonna be selling something today, at minimum, I'll be looking at selling 5 contracts, maybe a little bit later. But again, it is 7:20. I don't want to sell right now, especially because Pepsi does look like we have a lot of upside to go. I can definitely see Pepsi hitting 154, maybe even 155 today, closer to mid/end of day. But we'll see what's going on. But again, I am looking at selling minimum at least 5 contracts. I know I did say 8 contracts earlier today in my previous video, but it looks like that 80% is going to stay pretty it's going to stay pretty good. It's going to stay pretty stable. I don't think Pepsi is going to drop. There's a lot of bullish movement towards the upside. But again, minimum today, I will be selling at least 5 contracts to have some profit on my side. Maybe I sell 5 or 6 contracts to get all of my original value back. But we'll see. But like I said, minimum something I'm going to be selling out today. I'm probably going to, after this video is done, I'll probably sell like 5 of these contracts just to secure some profit or whatever, you know? You know what? Might as well, let's just do it right now, right? Why don't we just do it right now? Trade, sell. We'll sell 5 just to secure our initial investment. Yeah, we'll do 5. Securing initial, I think initial investment was like $400. So I am securing the initial investment plus an extra $40. Let's see if they actually get filled right now. So no fill, but they are in the queue. I'm going to see what happens, and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.